In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your WordPress site from the public quickly and easily. This simple process will take only about 5 minutes of your time, so you can control who sees your content with just a few clicks. This guide is perfect for anyone who wants to keep their website under wraps while making changes or preparing for a big launch. To get started, open up your preferred web browser and head over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, you'll want to head for the login page, which you can find on the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it and you'll be taken to a page where you can enter your login details. For this tutorial, let's streamline our login process by clicking on Continue with Google. This method uses your Google account to sign in, so go ahead and select your account from the list. You might need to enter your password depending on your security settings. After you're logged in, we'll navigate over to the settings for your site. You can do this by following a direct link, but if you're doing it manually, look for the settings option in your WordPress dashboard. This area is where you can adjust various aspects of your site, so it's always a good place to familiarize yourself with. Once you're in the settings section, scroll down until you find the wordpress.com site settings. This is a central hub for all your site options, where you can manage visibility settings. Here you will see a Manage Site link. Click on it and you're well on your way to changing your site's privacy settings. Now that we've reached the management section of the site, there's an option labeled Coming Soon. By clicking on this, your site will effectively be hidden from the public. Visitors will see a Coming Soon page instead of your site content. This is ideal if you're in the middle of a redesign or just not ready for the public to see your work. Don't forget the final essential step, saving your changes. Look for the Save button in the site settings area and give it a click. This ensures that all the changes you've made to hide your site will take effect immediately. And there you have it, your site is now locked in a private mode until you decide to put it live again. Whether you're updating your site's content or preparing for a grand launch, these steps will help you manage who gets a sneak peek at your work. It's as important to protect the privacy and integrity of your website as it is to create engaging content. Thanks for watching and happy website building.